G'day, Alex Collins with the Bendigo Sheep and Lamb Market Report from McKean McGregor for the 29th of March. About 17,000 lambs and 6,000 sheep yarded today in a market that started off a little bit cheaper, I thought, and then was probably fully firm towards the back end of it there today in Bendigo, basically across the board. Heavy lambs up to about sort of 265 or 6. We didn't see the real top end weight that we have been seeing there today, but a good run of lambs from 28 to 33 or 4 or 5 kilos there, and they're in a bracket from sort of 240 through to 265 or 6, as I mentioned. I think a lot of those lambs 730 to 750 early days, but probably have finished sort of 740 to 760 would cover most of them. Merino lambs with a bit better skin value on a lot of those good merino lambs, they'd be back under sort of 720, I reckon, $7 to 720 there on most of those, and there was some good merinos yarded. Trade lambs, supermarkets noticeably quieter certainly today. Not a lot of trade lambs through the yarding, but they've mainly made sort of 185, 188 through to about 210 or 14. Most of those lambs 780 through to 810. If you really smick 22 kilos, 850 or 60, no worries at all. But very few of those lambs coming forward in Bendigo, absolutely there. Feeder lambs back to the paddock, 155 through to 182 or 3, but they made similar sort of rates to last week. Sheep, fully firm, that job could be a little bit dearer in places. 240s for your heavy crossbred ewes, merino ewes with a big pelt sort of in the 220s. Weathers sort of 210 up to 210 for not a huge amount of weight, but well covered sort of weathers. Light sheep right down to 110. Your tradie sort of better sheep 140 to 170 as they've been the last couple of weeks. So all in all, pretty good today, and we'll catch up with you next week. Thanks very much.